See, my lips are really burning now, burning. But it's just like half of what it should be if I'm going to buy something like this in the Philippines. Yeah. I'm not sure if they regulated it already or maybe my taste buds are not already. Oh, thanks for the like. Tap tap. Or maybe my taste buds are now like not used to it anymore. Not used to spicy things. No more. The only thing left is the sauce. Yeah, that is the sauce. Mm. I don't need lipstick anymore. It's too red. Yeah, here, everything's burning.